Today we have some interesting smartphone news coming from Realme, as the company appears to be preparing two brand new devices for the Indian market. According to a recent leak shared by a well-known tipster on X, Realme is currently working on two upcoming smartphones, the Realme 16T and the Realme P4R. Both phones are expected to launch in India soon, and importantly, they will support 5G connectivity, which continues to become a standard feature across modern smartphones. Let's start with the Realme 16T, which appears to be the more premium device out of the two. According to the leak, the Realme 16T will arrive in three stylish color options. These include Starlight Red, Starlight Black, and Aurora Green. These color names suggest that Realme is once again focusing on eye-catching designs and vibrant finishes, something the brand is already known for. In terms of memory and storage configurations, the Realme 16T will reportedly be available in three different variants. The base version is expected to offer 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which should be more than enough for everyday smartphone users who mainly use their phones for social media, browsing, and streaming content. The second variant will increase the RAM to 8GB while keeping the storage at 128GB, which is a popular option for people who want smoother multitasking and better performance when switching between multiple apps. Finally, the top configuration is rumored to feature 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, giving users more space for apps, photos, videos, and large files. While the leak did not reveal additional technical specifications for the Realme 16T yet, the memory configurations already suggest that this phone will target the mid-range smartphone market, where Realme has been extremely competitive in recent years. Now let's talk about the second device mentioned in the leak, the Realme P4R. Unlike the Realme 16T, the P4R appears to be positioned as a more affordable smartphone designed for users who want essential features at a lower price point. According to the same leak, the Realme P4R will also come in three color options. However, the naming style is slightly different. The phone will reportedly be available in Silver Glare, Titanium Glare, and Lavender Glare. These colors suggest that the phone may feature a reflective or glossy finish that creates a shimmering effect when light hits the back panel. When it comes to memory and storage, the Realme P4R will reportedly launch in three configurations as well. The entry-level version is expected to offer 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. This configuration is typically designed for basic smartphone users who mainly use their device for calls, messaging, social media, and light applications. The second version will upgrade the RAM to 6GB while maintaining 128GB of storage, which should provide a noticeable boost in multitasking performance. And finally, the highest variant is rumored to feature 6GB of RAM with 256GB of storage, offering more room for photos, apps, and media files without significantly increasing the cost. Based on these memory and storage options, it's fairly clear that the Realme P4R is positioned as the more budget-friendly option compared to the Realme 16T. Another interesting detail is that the P4R will become part of Realme's P-series lineup, which continues to expand rapidly. In fact, the P4 family already includes several devices, and the addition of the P4R will further strengthen the lineup by offering another affordable option for consumers. Meanwhile, the Realme 16 series is also growing steadily. If the rumors are accurate, the Realme 16T will become the fourth member of the 16 series, joining the existing devices already available in that lineup. This shows that Realme is continuing its strategy of releasing multiple variants within a single smartphone family. By doing this, the company can target different price segments while maintaining a consistent brand identity across its devices. Unfortunately, aside from the color options and memory configurations, the leak did not reveal any additional specifications for either phone. That means details about the processor, camera system, display technology, battery capacity, and charging speeds are still unknown at this point. However, since the first leaks have already started to appear, it's very likely that more information will surface in the coming weeks. Typically, once early leaks like this appear online, additional reports soon follow with more detailed specifications, design renders, and sometimes even early benchmark results. So we can probably expect to learn much more about both the Realme 16T and the Realme P4R very soon. For now, what we do know is that both smartphones are expected to support 5G connectivity, which remains a key selling point in today's smartphone market. With faster network speeds, lower latency, and better overall performance, 5G allows users to enjoy smoother video streaming, quicker downloads, and improved online gaming experiences. This also shows that Realme is continuing to focus on bringing modern connectivity features even to its more affordable devices. As for the launch timeline, the leaks suggest that both smartphones will be introduced in India first. India remains one of the most important smartphone markets for Realme, and the company frequently launches new devices there before expanding to other regions. If the phones are successful in India, there's always a chance that they could eventually appear in additional markets as well. So at the moment, we're still waiting for official confirmation from Realme regarding these two devices. But based on the leaked information, it looks like the company is preparing to expand both the Realme 16 lineup and the P4 series with two new models that target different types of smartphone users. The Realme 16T seems to be aimed at mid-range users who want more performance and storage options, while the Realme P4R appears to be designed for buyers looking for a reliable and affordable 5G smartphone. As always with early leaks, it's best to take the information with a small grain of caution until the company officially reveals the devices. But if these details turn out to be accurate, both phones could become interesting additions to Realme's growing smartphone portfolio. And of course, as soon as more leaks, specifications, or official announcements appear, we'll make sure to keep you updated. So stay tuned, because we may soon learn much more about the upcoming Realme 16T and Realme P4R.